Hey, what's up guys? Tim from Huck's Small Engine Repair and Sales here with a Craftsman walk behind lawnmower. This one is self-propelled. This one's in the shop because the customer states that the front wheel drive self-propel is not working correctly. When he gets into any sort of grass, it just slips and he can hear like grinding noises. That's what he stated. So I think a front wheel is stripped out, but we're gonna investigate. And if so, we're gonna show you how to see that it's stripped out, how to find the difference between a bad wheel and a good wheel. So let's go. Okay, we have our good wheel here. This is a used wheel, of course, but we keep these parts around the shop because the inside gear is still good. So I've got my impact ready to go, 9/16. I'm just gonna scoot this wheel off the here. Okay. See, now the tread pattern on this wheel is nice, so I would very much like if it was a different problem, but I don't think it is. So we're gonna just wiggle this off the shaft. See? Yeah, let's check for problems there. So this gear is still operating, still free wheels. It's important that it free wheels. Obviously when your mower is off, you gotta be able to push it. This gear runs on these. Oh, yep. See, it's exactly what we feared. See the difference? And this isn't user or operator error. This is just metal on plastic over time, you know. Those gears are just completely stripped off. They're just gone. So naturally, there's nothing to grab there. There's no repairing these. You know, you can't buy just the insides and keep the tread. Wheels are fairly inexpensive. They're roughly 30 bucks a pair on Amazon or eBay, but we're just gonna put this used wheel on. Pro tip, do not throw away your front wheels because in a bind, they will always work on the back. Say you actually break the plastic or you break the inner shaft out or this bushing comes out. You can always take your worn out front wheel drive wheels and put them on the back of your mower. So we keep all wheels that are still decent tread and not broken on the shaft. So as you can see, this gear and this gear mesh up. And so it will freewheel, as like right now, it will freewheel. See, it will freewheel. And I'm spinning the gearbox as we speak because that gear is turning. But once you pull this cable and it tensions on the belt or actuates the lever inside the gearbox, that gear will mesh with these plastic ones and go and start to drive. Some of them you won't be able to pull backwards, but that's neither here nor there. Just wanted to point out that that gear meshes with that one and that these teeth are nice. So make sure you get this little dust cover back on there. Get our bolt on here. And you guys are good to go. And that is exactly how you change a wheel in like less than 5 minutes. You guys, any homeowner could do this. You do not have to be a rocket scientist. Simply watching this video, if you enjoyed it, give us a like, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you can check out all of our other pro tips and stuff. I like to make content showing people how to do this stuff where they don't have to pay someone like me to do it for them. It's just a way to bring value. So like I said, keep that worn out wheel and use it on the back or any other project. So over and out.